Hello, today we will guide you through how to recover deleted CapCut project. If you accidentally removed a project in CapCut, don't worry. In many cases, deleted projects can still be recovered from the trash section inside the app. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the process clearly so you can restore your project and get back to editing as quickly as possible. Start by opening the CapCut app on your device. Once the app loads, make sure you are on the Home section, since that is where CapCut usually shows your recent and saved projects. If you're in another tab or editing screen, return to the main home area first so the recovery options are easier to find. Next, look for the Trash option under the Home section. This is the area where deleted projects may be stored temporarily before being removed permanently. Depending on your screen size or app version, the trash may appear off to the right side, so take a moment to scan the interface carefully if you do not see it right away. When you find it, click on Trash. This will open the list of projects that have been deleted but are still available for recovery. This is an important step because if your project set is here, restoring it is usually very simple. Now look through the deleted items and find the project you want to restore. In this example, you'll be looking for the sample project. Be sure to double check the project name before restoring it, especially if you have several deleted projects that look similar. Taking a second here can help you avoid restoring the wrong one. Once you locate the correct project, right-click on the sample project. This should open a small menu with available actions for that item. If you are using a device without a traditional mouse, use the equivalent action that opens the project options menu. From that menu, click on Restore. After you select Restore, CapCut should move the project back out of the trash and return it to your active projects list. At that point, you can go back to your Home section and confirm that the project has been restored successfully. If you don't see the project immediately, give the app a moment to refresh and check your project list again. Restoring from trash is usually quick, but a short delay can happen depending on the app. And that's it. You've successfully recovered a deleted CapCut project.